Yes, down in AAA, you see the numbers there, as Michael was saying. Really pitched his way on the radar. Just 2 walks against 26 strikeouts.
He's going to get his first major league out right there.
Fly ball right field deep, going back Bosch, and he'll make the play on the track. It's tough. The minor league life, David, is tough. And fly ball shallow center. Coming on is Gardner. He can't make the play. And Cano fires to third as Corcoran comes up limping. So Cano gets the out at third to end the inning. And he could not hold up, so Carter down on strikes. And he did, striking out Carlos Pena. Fly ball right field, Bosch back, and Nuno works out of trouble. Francisco for the first out. Soft ground ball to second. They get the out at second. Altuve skies one to Bosch, and 3 shutout innings for Vidal Nuno in his major league debut.